Happy New Year's, guys. This is Dr. Neva. It is 2020. Oh my gosh, my face is a bit shiny, but I just decided to jump on the camera and do this video. I literally just came back from the beautiful Caribbean islands of Jamaica. And I had a great trip, a very busy trip, but yeah, for me, it is not just vacation. I really can't tell you the last time that I've gone on vacation. But as I was traveling back, I said to myself, I said I was going to be dedicated to this YouTube stuff, and I've not really been keeping up. I've been missing in action during the holidays, obviously, because I was traveling. But I just wanted to come back and get back in the game, stay focused for 2020. We always say that, especially at the beginning, but really stay focused and, just do some great work, great projects I have in the line, from my company Neva Alliance to other things that I'm working on, and as time goes by I'll explain that to you. But anyway, I was just coming through the airport, I also realized I really need to sign up for global entry because I travel so much. And I guess that's just my destiny in life. Neva, get up, go, travel around the world, meet people, do business, speak, whatever it is. So I really need to get up on that global entry because I'll be in line forever if I don't. I wanted to share a story with you for the new year. As I mentioned, and one of the things that I do, I travel. And I remember during one of my travels, I was in Africa and I was traveling with a friend. And I have a tendency to just ask questions about business or any information to individuals because in my head, you never know where that bright idea, who that bright idea might come from. It might come from the least expected person. If you listen sometimes, you can detect an opportunity in a situation. So I remember being in a taxi and I asked the taxi driver, what are some opportunities here in Africa and that particular region that I was. And my friend got annoyed at me and I said, well, what's the problem? She said, you can't ask poor people about business opportunities. And I froze and I told her I beg to differ. Now, so she's saying they're not rich because there's a reason that they're not rich. But sometimes one may not be financially comfortable or whatever because of the hands or the hand that they were dealt. If you think about it, most entrepreneurs or most individuals, they go through the downs before they finally clicked or got, get something that's really making money. I've met individuals that off the bat they were making money and then there was no need for the service that they were doing anymore, so they had to realign and business dropped, right? So once she said that, I said I beg to differ because you know what, that person might be driving a taxi, but guess what? He might meet individuals who are talking about business and talking about opportunities and talking about the next big thing. You never know who is that person. So I don't frown upon speaking to someone who's a taxi driver, as a housekeeper. Guys, you really never know when that person is going to say something that click. And maybe they don't say anything. Maybe they have no idea at all. But that should not limit you to only speak to the rich. Because guess what? The rich or the successful individuals may not share their ideas with you, right? Because they already figured it out. So some might say, well, I figured it out. You can figure it out too. Just a thought I am putting out there in 2020, just to say, don't limit yourself to who you might have a conversation with, to generate your brain to click into another opportunity. You never know who have that experience, who have experienced something that might resonate with you. All right, guys. Well, I hope you have created your vision board or your to-do list for 2020. I hope you have a prosperous year and everything that you want comes through for you. Until next time, guys, you take care. Bye.